What is up, guys? Welcome to the channel. Welcome to another video. My name is Corey and I am Platinum Built. Today is the day that I finally break down and wash the Platinum. It is a little warmer today. It's probably like 39 degrees. That's not too bad. That's prime vehicle washing weather for the middle of winter. But we're at a car wash here. I'm going to show you my secrets on how to wash your vehicle in the middle of winter. Let's go. All right, this isn't like an official how to wash your car in the middle of winter, so don't roast me for this. But what I like to do, basically, I start off the old do-it-yourself spray car wash. Spray off the heavy salt, spray off the undercarriage. After I spray everything off, you know, get the heavy salt off, get all that crud off there. I'll show you my next move, but first, let's do this.
Three hours later.
Alright, so now after you've hosed all the heavy salt off and whatnot, and you're freezing and your hands are cold and you're sick of being outside because it's the middle of winter, now comes the secret. The secret is, after the heavy stuff is off, you go find yourself a nice, brushless drive-through car wash. Some of you might call this lazy, but I call it working smarter, not harder. No, I'm joking. But yeah, in the middle of winter, it's real nice to just, you know, spray the heavy stuff off, go drive through a nice drive-through car wash. It gets the job done. It's not perfect, it's not the best, but it does help your truck or your car or whatever vehicle you got. Let's go do that now. Alright, so we finally made it to the more reputable brushless car wash, and obviously everyone has the same idea. That's the line. All to get in right there. Alright, so if you would wait in that line, you're probably waiting about 45 minutes. Secret tactic, come back in the middle of the night when no one's there. But real quick, you want to choose a brushless drive-through car wash if you're going to take the lazy route. You have to choose one that doesn't have the brushes or the like octopus tentacles that go over your car. Because of this reason, whenever there's someone in there with a dirty vehicle, let's say there's an F-150 right there. Say an F-150 goes through before you. Their truck is covered in road grime, road salt. Maybe they did a little off-roading or they drove on a dirt road. There's little pebbles all over their truck. Those brushes and whatever they are pick up those pebbles and rocks and road grime and crud. All that is now in the brush. So here's what happens. You go in next. You have a black vehicle, you're going through the car wash, those brushes are going over your truck with all those little pebbles and rocks and everything in there. What's happening? You're getting all those scratches all over your vehicle. I mean, I'm sure everyone knew this. This isn't new. This isn't rocket science. But you want to choose a brushless car wash. This one here, they just built this brand new sheets by where we live. It has a nice laser car wash. You pull in the little thingy, goes around your vehicle and, you know, senses the size of your vehicle so it knows how to operate. So our plans for today are now in shambles. I'm gonna hit the road. I'm gonna go drive past a couple other decent drive-through car washes, but I might be washing the truck by hand the old-fashioned way. Alrighty, so the drive-through car wash is a wash right now. There is a zillion people trying to get their car washed. Figured it's, you know, the afternoon, 38 degrees on a Friday, and so we're gonna have to come back in the middle of the night, sneak through. But anyways, we are here at a different place because we have a little light on down there, and that is the windshield washer fluid. So we're at your local Pep Boys. Let's go get some. Alrighty.
Well, we're striking out, man. Let's go over this one.
Got some de-icer, bug removal, de-icer and rain off. Looks cool. RV and marine, don't need that. Windshield wash. A or B? Well, this one says made in USA. We got a winner. And the truck isn't even that clean. Alright guys, so we pretty much have failed miserably today on getting the truck washed. All I did was spray the heavy stuff off. So maybe this isn't the easiest way to wash your vehicle in the middle of winter. But thanks for sticking with me if you made it to this point. This was more of a vlog type video rather than some informational thing or whatever. I'm going to try to do some more vlogs for you guys, just hanging out, seeing what's going on in my daily routine. I'm going to try to base it around something. So tomorrow marks the day of the Pittsburgh World of Wheels. Like I said in my last video, if anyone's going, shoot me a message. We can do something down there. But I'm looking forward to seeing you guys back on here tomorrow for the car show video. Probably tomorrow, which would be Saturday or the day after Sunday. So stay tuned for that. But that's it, guys. That's it for today. Thanks for sticking with me, like I said already. Look forward for more videos to come. I am gonna go fill up my truck with some windshield washer fluid. But real quick, guys, hit that thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Join the Platinum Built family. This is a great venture that we're on here together, and I want to show you guys my journey with the Platinum. So that's about it for today. If you are into anything in the automotive industry, if you work harder than anyone you know, if you live life to the highest quality, then you are Platinum Built. Hit that subscribe button, join the family. I will see you guys tomorrow, and that's about it for today. Peace!